Hey, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can install this SSMS in your personal PC. So if you don't know how SSMS looks like, so this is nothing but SQL Server Management Studio, where you can keep your database. It should be like server. Inside the server we have something called databases, and inside some databases we have something called table. Inside table we have schemas, and inside the schemas we have the tables. So I hope that makes sense. So this is the server. Inside the server we have something called database. Inside the database, so this is one of the database, and inside the database we have something called, this is called schema, and inside the schema we have tables which has columns and rows, everything. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So to have this installed in your PC, first go to Chrome, and I will paste the link in the description also, so you can get it from there. First visit this page where you can download the SQL Server downloads, and just go down. So there are two type of downloaders. First is developer and express. So if you want to publish something, if you can see here, SQL Server 2099 developer is a full free edition, and it's licensed for use from development and test databases in the non-production environment. But when you want to use express, it's for free edition of SQL Server, ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small service application. So I hope that makes sense here. So now what you can do here, just click this download, and it will download the your exe file to you. So once the exe file is downloaded, so now you can see it sort of look like this. So it will be like 5 to 6 MB. Just double tap it, so you can, so it's just simply how you install it. Just let him download like all the things. So just click here basic and accept this agreement. So once you download it, just let the path will be this path itself. So this is the download size. So when the first time, I have already downloaded, so it's not downloading. For the first time you have to download this 1.4 GB data. So it will download and install. When the download will be finished, it sort of look like this. It will ask you to install it. So I have already installed it. You just have to click after downloading, click install, and you are done. So on their bottom you will get an option, download SSMS. So what that exactly means, when you after downloading, installing everything, it will ask you to download SSMS. When you click that link, it will redirect you to, let me exit this, it will redirect you to this page. So this page also I will put in the description. So it will ask you to download this SSMS. So you have to click this link where you want to download that interface SSMS. Once you click this, it will download this setup file. It is around 691 MB. Just double tap it, press next, that's all. You don't have to do anything. And here you can, after doing next, it will show you what will be the server name. So the server name is mostly your laptop name. So what are the laptop name you have, it will take that name as a server name here. And there are a lot of videos also, how you can see like how you can if you want to configure according to your need, you can do that. So I hope that's all. So once you are done with that, it will sort of look like this. It will have something called server, databases, and everything. So I hope this makes sense to you, and in the next video we are going to talk about how we can add a new so here in the database, as you can see, I have created a new database. So we'll talk about how we can create a new database, how we can create a table, and we can go further from there. So I hope this video, you like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.